Hello and welcome to another video. The recent study conducted by the US Census Bureau found that 20% of American households earn passive income from dividends, interest, or rental properties. However, some of these methods require a significant sum for passive income, let alone a monthly income. So, I have found a great way you can build a monthly passive income with only $5,000. Here's how you can do that. One of my favorite ways to earn monthly income is through rate is better than realty income. On top of the high yield, it is a dividend aristocrat with a 54-year-old monthly dividend payment history. Also, the company has been increasing dividends for the past 30 years, and with a monthly dividend of 0.2570, you don't need a lot to get started. If we talk about the company for a bit, founded in 1969 by William and John Clark, Realty Income provides investors with reliable monthly income. The company's portfolio includes over 12,400 freestanding and commercial properties leased to over 1250 retailers and industrial companies from 84 industries throughout the US. So, if you do the math, the current share price is $55.45, and investing $5,000 will bag you around 90 shares. With a current dividend of 0.2570, Realty Income can bring you $23.13 in a monthly passive income. So I would suggest you have a long-term horizon for this and don't take out instantly, and you should hold the stock for 10 or 20 years, and with dividend reinvested in 10 years, your initial investment of $5,000 could grow to $8,235. And however, with Realty's strong 30-year dividend increase record, your initial $5,000 could double the return in 10 years. So I hope you like this video, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments.